Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Shopify meta tags and scripts step by step clearly. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section. Click on themes to access your current theme. Locate the theme you wish to edit and click on actions. From the drop-down menu, select edit code. In the left sidebar, look for the snippets folder. Expand the snippets folder to view its contents. Identify the meta tags or scripts you want to uninstall. Open the relevant snippet file by clicking on it. Review the code within the file carefully. Select the meta tags or scripts that you wish to remove. Delete the selected code from the snippet file. Click on Save to apply your changes. Next, return to the left sidebar and check the layout folder. Open the theme.liquid file to review additional meta tags or scripts. Search for any remaining meta tags or scripts you want to uninstall. Select and delete the unwanted code. Save the changes once again. Now, visit your store's front end to verify that the changes have taken effect. Refresh the page to ensure you are viewing the most current version. Lastly, use a browser inspector tool to confirm that the meta tags or scripts have been successfully removed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.